Hello, and welcome to the second edition of Philo's Kitchen. Today, we are going to make the Twinkie Wiener Sandwich, one of my very favorite. Not as good as the Wonder Sandwich, but still, it's pretty good. First, you take a Twinkie by Hostess. They're pretty good, but not that good alone. Then you take some hot dogs. I like the John Morrell Franks. You open up your Twinkie. Cut a piece cut it through the middle. And put your hot dog in. Now, looks pretty good, doesn't it? But the best part of all is when you put the cheese on top. That looks tasty. I'll make another one for my assistants to come up here and eat them both. Whoops. Let my assistants come here and eat them. Try them out. If you want, I can get you a glass of milk with them. They're very good to dip into.
Okay.
Eat and enjoy.
Gotta dip.
Tasty?
I don't know.
See, both my assistants love them. You can put up.
No.